Welcome to the Esoteric Cat Tarot. My name is Eve. I have been reading tarot cards for nearly 50 years, so I probably do things a little differently. This is our collective community reading, so we are going to see what message Spirit has for the collective. While I am shuffling the cards today, putting my energy into them and asking Spirit what the message is, I want you to concentrate and put your energy into the cards too. And then we will see what Spirit has to say to us. I'm going to pull some cards and then we will put them together. Put the message together, okay? What is on the bottom of this? Reflection. Your reflection reveals who you are. Interesting. Let's see what this reading is going to tell us. And those are the Arcana Flora. These are the Crow Oracle. This is Earth Magic. If you're interested in my cards, down in the description is a playlist where I do an unboxing of my cards. Anytime I get a new deck, I unbox it and make a video and put it there so you can check them all out and find out what cards they are. These are my newest ones, Wisdom of the Oracle. Okay, one of these. And then what? Spirit saying, and then that one. That's all? Okay. Bottom of this one is Moon Circles. Support, community and support. Go ahead and subscribe. Join this community. Trying to make this a community, y'all. Trying to make it more than just a channel to come watch card readings. Let's flip some of these over and see what we're working with so far. We have thoughts. Cultivate your ideas. Eccentric person. A person with a different worldview. Sounds like you're going to meet someone very interesting. Intuition. Listen to your inner voice. Interesting. Okay, what I'm getting off this, what Spirit is telling me, you're going to meet someone who you are going to mind meld. You're going to intellectually really connect on a deep level. And some of your friends are going to be like, that person's kind of weird. That person's kind of flaky. Or even you might be like, look at them shoes that person's wearing. I don't know. I want to talk to them. But it's going to be worth it. Okay. Listen to your intuition. If your intuition says go talk to them, go talk to them. Go talk to them. Eccentric people are amazing. Okay. Let's see what some of these other cards are. Maybe the message will be coming together. Baraka, power, strength, force, and expansion. Baraka. Strength, power, strength. You're going to strength, power, force, meeting new people, meeting new eccentric people, people with a different worldview than you, people that are going to open your horizon. They're going to help you cultivate new ideas about the world. Protection and trickery. Trickery. Trickery came up not too long ago. Interesting. Protection and trickery. So be careful. Protection and trickery. Moon goddess, higher power. You have to trust your higher power. Trust your higher power and clean it up. Ooh. Okay. Clean it up. You know what this is. You know what this trickery is, because do you see you back there? You seen it. You seen this dirty deed. You seen this dirty bird, didn't ya? Doing something bad. You know what that trickery is. Mm-hmm. Protection. Higher power. Baraka power. We have a lot of power, strength. Clean it up. Clean it up. Clean the house. Clean up. 21. Time to clean it up. Look at the moose. The moose is dusting. Clean it up. What are we cleaning up? 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 Communion? Communion. This kind of all goes up here, don't it? Communion. This is communing with nature, communing with others, communing with the spirit. There's the higher power. This all kind of goes together. Emergent. Something is coming out. Something is growing. Something is coming out. Something is going to come out. Emergence. Water. Water. There's a water here under trickery. The truth is coming out. The truth is coming out. Dragonfly. The truth is coming out. The truth is coming out. You need to clean it up. You need to clean it up. You need to clean it up. The truth is coming out. You need to clean it up. Skywriting the fates. Something's fated. Something's fated. A fated meeting with this eccentric person, maybe. Falling angel, spiritual narcolepsy. You are sleeping on your higher power. Spirit has been trying to protect you, but you're not seeing. You've not been getting the messages. Spirit has been trying to protect you. Yeah. Spirit has been trying to protect you. Do you hear that? There's something in your life. Let's clean it up as still. But Spirit has been trying to protect you from this trickery that is emerging. You're coming out of this cycle of being a fool. You're coming out of a cycle of being tricked. You've been sleeping on Spirit. You're not listening. Spirit is trying really hard to give you these messages, and you have not been listening. Fate. Fated. Fated meeting. Chance encounter. I still think this goes with this eccentric person who is going to open you to a new world of ideas. What is this clean it up, though? This is... You're going to be victorious. Victorious for what? What are you cleaning up, and what is going to be victorious? There you are on that fool's journey. That you have been played the fool, and you are emerging from that. You're emerging from that. You are meeting people. There's a fated meeting. A fated encounter with someone. You feel like you've been trying to balance a lot of stuff. Okay. This is like really, I feel like I need to get a different set of cards. Hold on. Okay, I got 2 decks. Tarot deck and another Oracle deck. This one called to me when I turned around to get the tarot deck. We're gonna have all the cards. There's too many cards. Spirit. Spirit. You cannot give me like 10 cards all at once. We're gonna have like all of the decks out here. Okay. To make equal darkness, the moon, darkness, and then to make equal the equator. Darkness to make equal balanced. What does this have to do with clean it up? What are we cleaning up? What is the darkness? What is the thing that needs to be equal and balanced? And you're going to be victorious at cleaning it up. You're going to be victorious. I just kind of need to know. The birds. The birds. The birds. Keeping your eye on goals. The birds. There's a bird. There's a bird. There is a bird. Clean it up. This one's a little all over the place, y'all. The bird. Okay, 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 okay. The bird. The bird. All right. Because I was like, we already have the crows out here. What bird? Ocean's Muse. Writer's Wisdoms. Intuition. Hermit's Light. Discovery. This is 21. This is 34. Together, they're 55. Which is 10, which is New Beginning. Ocean's Muse. Power. Expression. Power and expression. Clean it up. Clean up the mess. Clean up the darkness. You will be victorious in cleaning it up. Spirit is showing you all kinds of signs, and you're not seeing them. Okay, this is a little, seems like a lot of different things. Because Spirit has been trying to communicate with you, and you are not seeing it. You're not seeing it. You're rushing headfirst into a fool's journey without listening. You're not listening to your intuition, and you need to. You need to journal and you need to write. Writing has come up a couple of times. Maybe you need to take class. I'm seeing, okay, this eccentric person, you're going to meet them at like a coffee shop, a classroom, a library, somewhere that involves intellectual writers. Okay? And y'all are going to share some ideas. They're going to open your mind to a totally new way of thinking. Follow your intuition on that person. That's that person. Some people will be like, oh, I don't know about that person. but you follow your intuition. You need a Spirit is protecting you. Spirit is trying to protect you from the fool's journey, from running headlong into trickery, and Spirit is trying to help you emerge victorious. Okay? Helping you emerge victorious, but you need to clean it up. You need to clean up. You need to clean up. You need to focus. You need to listen to your intuition, and you need to be open and listen to Spirit. Spirit is trying really hard to communicate things to you. Really hard. You're not listening. Listen to your dreams. Start journaling. Listen to things that are, like if you start seeing the same kind of bird every day, or the same kind of butterfly, or a song just gets stuck in your head, or some kind of thing like that, just out of the ordinary, that's just repeating over and over. That's Spirit. Spirit is trying to communicate to you, and you're not listening. You've got to open yourself up. You have to open yourself up. The night. Pay attention to your dreams. Dreams. I'm telling you. Darkness. Darkness, the night. Spirit is trying to come to you. Spirit is trying to come to you. Pay attention. Pay attention to your dreams. Spirit is trying to, Spirit's been trying. You're just not listening. Alright, Spirit. Do you have one last thing? Anything? Okay. Try to pull all this together. Instinct. Here's the crazy thing. This card has never come out in a reading. Never has this card came out in a reading. Instinct. Trust your instinct, okay? Trust your instinct. You know about the trickery. You know about this fool's journey that you were on. Trust your instinct, okay? All these intuition cards, all this instinct, intuition. Do you know what I'm saying? That's an intuition card. This one, that's an intuition card. Trust your instincts. Listen to your intuition. And you will be victorious. This is fated. This chance meeting with this person is fated. You may have been bumping into them, and Spirit keeps putting them in your path, and you're just kind of overlooking them. But Spirit has been trying to protect you and trying to send you messages. Pay attention. Okay, Spirit's not going to write you a letter and be like, Dear John, this is exactly what you need to do at what time and what day. That's not going to happen. Spirit's going to send you messages like butterflies and songs getting stuck in your head. A song you ain't even thought about in 100 years. You're going to find a penny with a date on it that's going to be significant, you know? I mean, that's what's happening. Sorry. Did you hear that noise? There was a very loud noise that happened when I was talking about Spirit sending signs. I had to check and see what it was, and it really wasn't anything. So, there you go. Pay attention. Okay, hopefully this resonated with you. If it did, drop me a comment. Drop me a wolf or, something. I don't know. An emoji. I like emojis, whatever. I just want some comments, y'all. Comment, okay? Let me know somebody's listening. Like this video so the algorithm will keep showing it to more people. Trying to build this channel. The only way I can build this channel is with your help. I need you to like the videos. I need you to just share them out to people. People who need to hear the message. Share it to them in like a text message, Facebook Messenger, however you share messages to your friends. comments. Comments help a lot. Subscribe. If you listen to this and it resonated and it subscribe. That way you know whenever I drop videos. You'll also get notified when I do community posts, because I do them. I have some polls over in the community posts right now. You can go over there and vote on. I have zodiac readings that I drop throughout the month. I'm doing some other kind of like channeled messages and stuff like that I'll be doing. And if you are subscribed, you will know when all this stuff is happening. So subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it. Love your faces. Kisses.